Slow and steady, slow and steady. Finally getting halfway done with fixing the street in front of the shop. I'm so happy to let people be able to come back in without being all bundled up. It's been an inconvenience, but it's always a brighter day. Yes, yes. See where we at. See what we do. Only thing we need is you. Come on down to Top Notch, pay us a visit. I guarantee you that it's gonna be an experience you'll never forget. Like barbers, stylists, got everything you need in one spot. See what it say? Top Notch. The name says it all. So we running a special from now on. Monday through Thursday. All walk-in $5 off. With a free shampoo. Barbers only though. Barbers only. No stylists included on this deal. JSU Supercars are welcome here. Barbers on deck, baby. Yes, indeed. Game on.